Sumbut Mintri Rangba Kajala ba Presun Tensong Mentagasni ka apply tarik yong ulam ham ikitrayo delang kinong di dukan marbam kiba hapo Kajala kentubru ikitrai pa driver taxi pa numpin kiudor dalade habakren shekilat patai kubor ba Tensong uong ka sorkar kanum ailat yani no banshim kabu hakum kani kapor dak bapin kiyo ikibai marbam or kumjuru yakabai kali Ula pendepru bakajala kumbalong menta kamdan kajing kerdu habai dai pat ki marbam
Transport Department to make sure through the district transport officer to make sure to monitor even about the way, be it the drivers or the owners of the commercial vehicles, that they should not take advantage out of this situation. They cannot, they should not, because we have already considered whatever grievances raised by the concerned stakeholders that time. I think you remember well. So we have done it. So therefore, I would like to appeal and to warn all the concerned stakeholders, please don't take advantage out of this situation. Yes, we need to earn, but at the same time, you need to also understand the difficulties that the residents of Meghalaya are facing right now. So we will make sure that at no point of time this kind of advantages taken by any person or any concerned stakeholders should happen. I appeal to every citizens of the state that you don't have to worry about their food stock. All the stock is right now okay, it is fine. And then at the same time, we appeal to all the traders, please understand this. You don't have any crisis, we don't have any crisis at all. So therefore, let the prevailing market rate continue as usual.